and this is Life Above the Clouds, your guide to elevated eating with a new cannabis recipe every week. If you like the sound of that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the little bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Football season is here, and while I am not the hugest fan of football, I am a huge fan of tailgating snacks. So this week, we are going to make one of my all-time favorites, candied bacon. First of all, I love bacon, and making candied bacon always seems like such a special treat, but it's actually so easy. This is also the first time we are going to infuse our meat with cannabis. Because it is fat soluble, we can put it right on the bacon, and we are not going to use any cannabis infused butter or coconut oil. All we're going to do for this recipe is combine all of our ingredients into a bowl. Our decarboxylated cannabis, cayenne pepper, chili powder, and brown sugar. I have lined my baking sheet with aluminum foil because it's going to make cleanup a lot easier, and the bacon grease is also going to be cannabis infused, so if you wanted to save it, you could and cook with it later. But lining your baking sheet with tin foil makes it easier to make a little pour spout and pour out your bacon grease. Spread your bacon onto your prepared baking sheet. Mine actually could only fit 9 pieces, so I had to do mine in batches. Then evenly coat both sides of your bacon with the cannabis mixture. Now just bake them at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes until they are nice and brown and crisp. I also like to flip them over halfway through. I have to tell you that this recipe made my kitchen smell amazing. The best that it has ever smelled in all of my year of Life Above the Clouds recipes. You can smell the brown sugar, and you can smell the spiciness of the chili powder and the cayenne pepper, and of course the cannabis smell. I really love that when it fills my kitchen. It's like getting floppy. Okay, full disclosure, I actually made this yesterday, and so it's been in the fridge, so it's not really crispy like it was yesterday, but I'm sure it still tastes just as good. I don't know if you can hear that crispy crunchiness on the camera, but the center of the bacon is still nice and chewy, but the edges have this nice crispness to them. And it's a little bit sweet and not too spicy because I don't really like spicy food. And the first time I ever tried this recipe, I was nervous about baking the cannabis on it. I thought that it would make the bacon taste weird, but even though you can smell the cannabis, you can't really taste it when you're eating this bacon. I hope you liked this episode of Life Above the Clouds. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends. And if you guys ever want to help out by sending over a cup of sugar or a bag of flour, go check out my Patreon page where you can get access to recipe sneak peeks, behind the scenes footage, all kinds of fun stuff. There is a link in the description section below. Thanks again for watching. Bye guys.